Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's June 5th, 2023. Here to talk about Microsoft real quick and how this particular stock could potentially shatter all-time highs. Kind of like what NVIDIA did recently off the chart. How the market just completely went to astronomical levels that a lot of people really didn't anticipate. Could Microsoft do the same thing? It's possible, especially since this AI is the new buzzword in the markets for Wall Street. Anything that's trying to get into the AI space, that's trying to, meander or get involved with this new technology, those stocks are really showing a lot of interest, a lot of demand, because they're trying to capitalize off of it. Microsoft, you would think it's going to do the same thing. It just recently collaborated or partnered with OpenAI, right? They're utilizing their chat GPT as a search engine bot. So why not would Microsoft continue to go higher? Currently, you guys can see here that this is where the sellers, the last batch of sellers, people who may be willing to sell, are at in Microsoft. Okay. Now, did a video in Microsoft first, as I always do. I come through and I show you what happened to my price prediction, which I've created way ahead of time before the market even moves, because people try to tell you that you can't do it, and they obviously haven't seen my channel because I've been doing this for a long time. Here it is, May the 17th or May the 18th, 2023. I was prepared to see Microsoft go up, and there it is. Okay, 6.8%. Now let's get to it though. Let's look at this on a longer term chart because I want to show you how the market currently is still exhibiting that it wants to make all-time highs in Microsoft. Look at that last weekly price bar right there. That indicator, yeah, it's telling us that the market is trying to make all-time highs. The prior week, look at this one. Even though we saw the selling, the market in Microsoft, the buyers were able to bring the price up there at the high end of that weekly price bar. That tells you that this market is still bullish. People are still anticipating that Microsoft is going to go up. Okay. Now, I'm going to let this long-term trend go, and I want us to focus on this near-term ascending line that I'm going to create. Because I really want us to focus on that, because that's going to tell us how bullish this particular market is going to be in Microsoft. Okay. Now, as long as price holds this trend line, you have nothing to worry about. Price will forever go up into perpetuity. It's forever. It's infinite. As long as price holds that trend line. That's it. Okay. Now, the reason why we did see selling on the last week of trading is because of these individuals back there in 2021 who thought that Microsoft was going to continue to go higher at that time, had been literally sitting on that stock for about 2 years, maybe going on 2 years. Yeah. So they're trying to sell. They're like, good, 2 years. I've been sitting on this market. I've been in a loss position for about 2 years. I'm just finally ready to break even, right? Here's Microsoft on the 2 weeks chart. Okay, so this 2 weekly price bar has concluded. And you guys can see it. Charts don't lie. We got an indicator. The market is still bullish in Microsoft. Okay, here it is on the 3. Here it is on the 5. This market is definitely bullish for Microsoft. It's definitely bullish. Take a look at this on the monthly. Even for the month of May, we got an indicator. Okay. So all in all, the chart doesn't lie. This market at Microsoft is still aiming to go up. Now, once you hit these areas and you're trading at specific price levels that hasn't been traded at all, you got to be a little bit more cautious. You got to be a little bit more leery, because the volatility is going to increase. People don't have prior history as to what happened when Microsoft hit these prices. We're in uncharted territory. Okay, so I'm not going to act like I know where price in Microsoft is going to go outside of hitting all-time highs. That's going to be my first target, is looking for price in Microsoft to hit this high back here on this monthly price bar in November 2021, which is $350. That's going to be my first target. 350. Anything above 350 is a guess. I don't know. It could move as high as Nvidia did when it broke out. Okay. Look at Microsoft on the 2 months chart. Here it is. You guys can even see another indicator right there on the 2 monthly price chart, longer term. You have that indicator being created. Charts don't lie. Take it out on 3 months. Again, another indicator. Why would you want to buck the trend? When that indicator was finished right here on this last 3 months, beginning January 3rd, 2023, that's why the market is up here today. It's powerful. Now, let me get back to it on the daily time frame. We're going to do 2 targets inside of this all-time high prediction that we're going to look forward to. Okay, 2. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart first. Okay. That first target, I'm looking at like 240. Yeah, that's going to be our first target. It's going to be 240. Okay. Now look at that. That's not even a lot. That's only 1.35%. But I definitely want us to understand that nearing these price levels, you know, people are going to be antsy. They're just going to be happy to get out their position. Expect some volatility. I mean, the market in Microsoft may just stop there at 340. It doesn't look like on the long term, but I definitely want us to be prepared at least to profit somewhat. Second target is going to be 350. I mean, my first target is going to be 345. Okay, it's going to be 345. So that's around 2.91%. Okay, so not 340. I want 345 as the first target. Second one's going to be 350. That's 4.25. And anything above 350, it's just going to be icing on the cake, because I don't know. Now, I know many of you some people have left comments on my videos saying that you can use Fibonacci retracements. Cool, you can. But even in that realm, you're just literally guessing, or if you trust that, then go ahead. Like, I don't want to stop you all from not utilizing what you feel works best in your situation. Okay, but that's it. Give me your thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about Microsoft. You guys can see our thesis, our points, our thoughts. You heard it, and you also see it. Give me yours. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.